Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander, stock number 5977. First ran from the 10th 2012 to 07 2021. It has a 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. So this is a 4J12 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents, left front 18-inch factory alloy made good tyre, left front mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door unscratched, left rear 18-inch factory alloy made good tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear door no dents, right front door 2 dents, right front mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen, media player, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,